everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Journals over at Instagram. For today, as you would have seen in the title, we have a little craft with me using the latest issue of the Daphne's Diary. I got I literally got it today, and I was just really inspired by this Forest Elves page. They come with a full page of little forest elves and then another page with the wings. And I thought I'd pair them with the latest digikit as well from RaindropLila. So Lydia has kindly sent me a copy of this William Morris digital kit. And as with all of her kits, she always has these tags. And I thought they would pair really well with the forest elves. So what I did is I printed just the tags, the pages where there are 3 tags and then several labels. Then I think I also printed some with the different banners. And I just cut all of that, as you can see here. And then next, I will also be cutting the forest elves as well as the wings. And then I'll be putting all of that together. I really love the colors of these together because they're very warm. We don't have fall or autumn here in the Philippines, but I really like the warm colors for this month. So that's what I gravitate towards these days, and these colors. I mean, you can see how yummy they are. And that's what inspired me to create these forest elves tags. So here I was able to cut the little elves, and then one of them almost lost her pigtails, her ponytails. So I'm glad I didn't cut it off completely. And then here are the different wings, and then I tried making one so that I have a prototype, and this is how it turned out. I just used a lot of different lace and then some pearls and some Tim Holtz sentiments. And I really like how it turned out. So here I'm just showing you how I put that all together. So I just basically paired the forest elves with the different wings. You just choose whatever you like. In case you get the magazine, you'll be able to mix and match them. And then I just wanted to bring in a little bit of lace element, so I just added this as sort of a background, a layering piece. I'm just distressing it a little bit here so that there's a bit of curl, a bit more interest than just laying it flat. And then as the tag holder as well, I used one of the labels. So I really love this kit from Lydia because, I mean, you can use all of the elements however you want to use them. Obviously, that one is a label, but I just folded it and it turned out really well as a tag holder or a topper for the tag. So here I'm just laying it all together, laying it down, deciding on which elements to use before I glue it down. So here I'm just pairing, I'm just trying to see or auditioning what patterns would work well together. And I think I chose this one because while it complements the tag that I picked as well as the colors of the elf, it still stands out a little bit. And yeah, I also added a little banner at the bottom just to for a little bit of fun. Also added a very thin or very narrow lace at the bottom. So now I will just be putting them all together by gluing them.